The artificial intelligence landscape has just shifted beneath our feet. For months, the tech world was obsessed with the rumors of GPT-6, expecting a massive leap in parameter count and compute power. But OpenAI did something far more strategic. They released GPT-5.5. This isn't just a point release. In the history of Silicon Valley, point releases like 3, 5 or 4, 5 have often been more impactful than the base models themselves. GPT-5.5 is the perfection of the transformer architecture before we transition into the next era of world models. It is the bridge between a chatbot and an autonomous agent. Section 1. The anatomy of GPT-5.5. Core data. To understand why GPT-5.5 is trending globally, we must look at its internal nervous system. Unlike GPT-5, which was a brute force scaling success, 5.5 is an efficiency masterpiece. 1. The token window revolution. GPT-5.5 features a native context window of 1.2 million tokens. To put that in perspective, you can upload the entire legal code of a small nation, or the complete technical blueprints of a SpaceX Starship, and the AI will reason across the entire dataset without losing its needle in a haystack retrieval accuracy. 1.2 latency and the instant breakthrough. The instant model of 5.5 has achieved a latency of 150 milliseconds. This is the threshold of human-to-human conversation. For the first time, the lag between a human thought and an AI response has effectively reached zero. This is powered by a new hardware-software integration called TensorStream 2, allowing real-time inference at a fraction of the previous energy cost. Section 2. Benchmarks. Humbling the competition in the world of AI. Benchmarks are the only truth. In the latest May 2026 reports, GPT-5.5 has set records that experts thought were 2 years away. FrontierMath Tier 5. It solved 42% of unsolved mathematical conjectures provided by the Clay Mathematics Institute. SWE Bench Gold. In software engineering, it successfully resolved 89% of GitHub issues in complex repositories without any human intervention. Medical USMLE Step 3. It scored a near-perfect 98.4%, not just by memorizing data, but by performing differential diagnosis in real-time simulations. Section 3. The 3 pillars. Thinking. Pro. Instant. OpenAI has segmented GPT-5.5 into 3 distinct specialized engines. Pillar I. GPT-5.5 Thinking. The scientist. This model uses System 2 thinking. When you give it a prompt, it doesn't answer immediately. It creates a chain of verification. It simulates the answer, looks for flaws, corrects itself, and then provides the output. This is what makes it dangerous. For the competition, it has a built-in self-correction loop that eliminates 99% of hallucinations. Pillar 2. GPT-5.5 Pro. The architect. This is for the builders. It is integrated directly into the world's most advanced IDEs, integrated development environments. It doesn't just write code, it manages the entire CI/CD pipeline. If a server goes down in London at 3 a.m., GPT-5.5 Pro can identify the bug, write the patch, test it in a sandbox, and deploy it before the human engineer even wakes up. Pillar 3. GPT-5.5 Instant, the assistant. This is the model that is now powering the free version of ChatGPT. It has made AGI-level intelligence a utility, like electricity or water. Section 4. The Mecha Robotics Synergy, Unitree and Boston Dynamics. One of the biggest real-world applications of GPT-5.5 is in robotics. As we saw with the recent launch of the Unitree GD01 Mecha. These machines need a brain that can handle spatial reasoning. GPT-5.5 is the first model to have native spatial intelligence. It can look at a 2D camera feed from a robot and reconstruct a 3D physics-based map of the environment in milliseconds. This is why the Unitree Mecha can walk through a crowded street in New York or a construction site in Jodhpur without hitting a single obstacle. It isn't just seeing, it is understanding the physics of the objects around it. Section 5. The rise of agentic workflows. We are moving away from prompting. In the era of GPT-5.5, we use orchestration. An agentic workflow means you don't ask the AI to write an email. You ask the AI to start a business. The AI then registers the domain, creates the landing page, sets up the Stripe payment gateway, generates the initial marketing copy, optimizes the SEO based on real-time May 2026 trends. All of this happens autonomously. This is why Claude, Mythos, and GPT-5.5 inches are in a dead heat. Whoever controls the agents controls the global economy. Section 6. Cybersecurity and the OpenAI controversy. With great power comes the ability to break things. GPT-5.5 Cyber Edition has raised alarms in the Pentagon and the Kremlin. Its ability to perform zero-day discovery is unprecedented. The recent OpenAI problem highlighted that older AI systems are now defenseless against 5.5's reasoning capabilities. We are entering an era of AI versus AI warfare, where the only defense against a malicious AI agent is a more powerful, ethical AI agent. Section 7. Global accessibility and the Tier 1 revenue model for creators and entrepreneurs. GPT-5.5 is a goldmine. With its advanced understanding of Tier 1 markets, USA, UK, Canada, it can predict consumer behavior with 90% accuracy. If you are running a YouTube channel or a social media empire, GPT-5.5 can analyze the RPM and CPM trends of May 2026 and tell you exactly which keyword will generate the highest revenue. It is no longer a creative tool, it is a financial intelligence unit. Conclusion. The dawn of the post-compute era. As we look at the trajectory of GPT-5.5, one thing is clear. The bottleneck is no longer the AI's intelligence. The bottleneck is our imagination. We have a tool that can reason like a Nobel Prize winner, code like a senior Google engineer, and strategize like a world-class CEO. The question for 2026 is no longer, what can AI do? The question is, what will you do? Now that the AI can do everything. Quote,